Good morning, dear students. As you know that from 14 Feb we have our PT4 exam, and nowadays we will revise our work that will come in our PT4 exam. So in English, from reader book, chapter 10 and 11 will come, and from your good grammar book, that adverb and prepositions will come. So from today we will revise the work that will come, and firstly we will revise chapter number 10, water, the elixir of life. So here we will not read the chapter once again because we have read it earlier. We just take a summary that water is very essential for us. We should not waste the water. There is hardly any activity that can be carried on without water. In our daily life, we need water for drinking, for washing and bathing. We need water for irrigation and for power generation. We need water to cook our food. Even the even the clothes we wear and the houses we live in cannot be made without water. The paper this book is printed on can't be made without water, and it is not human being alone who need water to live. Animals and plants also need water to live. In fact, nothing on this earth can live without water. So here water is very much important for us. The house that we live in, the clothes we wear, the food we eat, everything needs water to be prepared. So not only human being, animals and plants also, everyone need water to grow, to survive. The that living things need water to survive. Water is a free gift of nature, but there is a saying, we never know the worth of water till the well is dry. We don't value the things we get free in our life. We realize their value only when we don't get them. Think of a thirsty person in a desert. A drop of water to him is worth more than a sack of gold. But we never keep this in mind in our daily life. कि जो चीज़ हमें फ्री मिल रही है, बिकॉज वाटर वी आर गेटिंग फ्री एंड वी डोंट वैल्यू द थिंग्स दैट वी गेट इन फ्री बिकॉज दैट इज़ ह्यूमन नेचर. अगर किसी डेजर्ट में कोई इंसान गया हुआ है, उसको उस पानी की कीमत ज़्यादा पता चलेगी कंपेरेटिवली अस, बिकॉज वी हैव वाटर. We keep wasting water in a variety of ways. We leave the taps running uselessly. We waste too much water for our bathing and washing. We don't care to fix the taps or pipes that are leaking. We waste huge quantity of water in washing our floors, our cars and bikes, our pots and pans. If we continue with all this, very soon a time will come when we shall have no water even to drink, and then imagine what will happen. See, अगर जो टैप है वो रनिंग है या उसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो उसको ठीक नहीं करवाया जाता. वो टैप जो है वो रनिंग चलती रहती है, पानी निकलता रहता है. पानी की जो बकेट है वो फिल हो चुकी है, स्टिल नो नीड टू क्लोज द दैट टैप. जो गाड़ी हम धो रहे हैं, दैट नीड्स अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर वेस्टेज. सी, so we are doing all these things in our daily life. We are washing the floors every day without any stoppage of water. We don't have any limitations of water that yes, we just need 2 or 3 buckets to wash the floor. It's okay that we should clean our home, but we should think that water is also very important, so we should not waste the water in this way. Then water keeps evaporating into the air, and it is only trees that help to bring it back as rain or snow. But we have cut down so many trees and forests that we have very little rains now. As a result, our rivers, lakes and ponds are going dry, and we are pumping out so much of underground water that our wells too are going dry. The water level is sinking fast year after year. It has reached an alarming stage. It is now time for us to wake up, or it would be too late. मतलब जो वाटर है वो इवोपोरेट होता है, जिससे रेन्स मिलती हैं हमें वापस। हम इतने सारे ट्रीज़ को और फॉरेस्ट को कट कर रहे हैं बिकॉज जनरेशन जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा हो गई है, लोग बहुत ज़्यादा हो गए हैं, तो उनके लिए अब हमें घर बनाने होते हैं, जिसके लिए फॉरेस्ट और ट्रीज़ कट हो रहे हैं। और इसका नुकसान क्या है कि जो रेन है वो कम होती है बिकॉज ऑफ ट्रीज़। जो रेन्स हैं वो इजी मतलब होती हैं, लेकिन अगर वो कट हो जाती हैं तो वो भी मतलब रिवर्स जो हैं, रेन की वजह से जो रिवर भर जाती हैं, लेक्स पॉन्ड्स, वो भी ड्राई हो जाएंगे अगर रेन नहीं होएगी तो। और जो अंदर ज़मीन से हम पानी निकालते हैं वो भी एक अलार्मिंग स्टेज पे पहुंच गया है। If we want to continue living on this earth, we shall have to save every drop of water. We shall have to stop all wasteful use of water, and as you will see, it is not very difficult to do this. Some tips to save water: avoid unnecessary flushing of toilets, use minimum amount of water for bathing, install small shower heads to reduce the flow of water, don't leave the tap running while washing the dishes in your kitchen, turn off the tap when not in use, especially when you are brushing your teeth or washing your clothes. Avoid hand washing of cloth. Washing machine consume much less water. No leakage of water from tap should be allowed. Overuse of detergent and fertilizer should be avoided. They increase the need of water. कि बहुत ज़्यादा सर्फ जो है वो हमें नहीं यूज़ करना चाहिए बिकॉज उसको धोने के लिए फिर में बहुत सारा पानी चाहिए होता है. Lawns should be watered only when needed. Overwatering can more harm than good. Rainwater harvesting should be done in all towns and cities. And this is our rainwater harvesting. You have made this picture also. So this is your chapter that we have read once again. Main core of the meaning of the chapter is we should not waste the water. We should save it.